Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is the Tuesday of September 2025. So we are going to be doing this video. The market opened yesterday and price has been moving on, as you guys can see. We've made some predictions on some markets. We want to see how they're going to be moving, and also the Alchemist strategy on US oil. We want to see how it is progressing so far. People in the comment section were happy about that signal on US oil and it was playing out well. However, I'll just take you through the total breakdown, the general breakdown of the Alchemist theory. I told you this is an improved version of the Alchemist strategy, and it is not one that is complicated like the other one we have been learning before. They all work. Almost give the same results. The difference is slightly small, but this one is so easy and has understandable concepts than the other one, which is so tricky. If you get it well and good, then you're going to be having a good strategy which gives a very good risk to reward. However, if you don't get it, then it is going to be hard for you. You rather go with this one. Okay, so now we have on the screen, this is 0JPY. Before we proceed, guys, I told you last time, when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be putting you guys in a Telegram channel such that I can be giving you free signals as a reward for your subscription if we hit 1k subscribers. So far we are at 640. Everyone who is at who will have subscribed by then, I'll just pick those people and put them in the Telegram channel. So make sure you subscribe and be part of that community. When that time comes, you don't miss out. Okay, so I'm going to go straight to the video. So let's start. I think I have two pairs to show. Now I had US 30. US 30 reacted from this zone. You remember last time I was telling you, and it was a sniper entry. Price started running to the upside. So far it has run up to around, I don't know, around 70 pips. So I expected US started to come back and tap in again, but it did not, because this is a trade that I missed. So US 30 has run up to 80 pips. So the zone was clean, but it was a sniper entry. Initially me was waiting for it from here, but it used this small wick up there. Look how it has gone to the upside. So US 30, it is a trade that we missed, but it has played out so well. So now I'll take you to Chef had a very good zone. You see this zone here, very good zone. This is a previous resistance, turns into support when price comes back. Let me put the line chart like that. When price comes back with a very good demand zone, which was respected to the week, now price reacted from the area and immediately gave a 4-hour hammer pointing to the upside. However, price has again retraced into the zone. Now why is this one a good zone? Because there is a jump. Market opened and immediately jumped up to here. So if market jumps like that, then that is a very good zone. It means there is a lot of buying pressure in that area, because market did not even have time to move slowly. It just jumped. So I'm expecting that market is going to react from here, and then we go back up here, which is around 100 pips. That is what I'm expecting. However, price is now retracing back to the zone. So we are currently at break even, but we shall wait and see what will happen by the end of tomorrow. So I'll go to US oil and just break down how the trade was. You see, US oil came, tried to sweep liquidity up here, did not stop us out, and now it has dropped. So currently we are in some pips. However, initially it tapped into the zone, respected the zone, dropped up to here. That is around 120 pips. So if you're wise right now, you should be having some profits on US oil. That is 115 pips. And then it retraced back into the zone, sweeping all the liquidity up here, and now it is still going down. I still expect US oil to sell. I still expect US oil to sell. However, why do I expect it to sell? I'll take you through our strategy, the Alchemist strategy, and you guys will understand. And if you watch my previous videos, this is something that I've been talking about. This is something that I've been talking about even in the previous videos. So I told you this is the simplified version of the Alchemist strategy, step by step. Understand the process, and then you can be able to execute it very well. So now let's go through the trade together. So initially price was going down, made drop, base drop, left a supply zone here and reached this area. So after retraced, reacted from the supply zone and then gave us a bearish engulfing candle, making an evening star. This is a green candle, incision candle, and then a downward candle, making an evening star. So what we expect is we mark this indecision candle from the body where it opened from to the wick at the top. So after we have marked our indecision candle and stretch it to this side, this is the candle that we want to trade from. This one here, that green candle there, that is still forming weekly candle. So after we drop down to the daily time frame to refine our entries. However, when we drop to the daily time frame, this is what we saw. We saw that price was making higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and then after starting making another higher low and going up, it just made a lower low. And in this area here, there is a bearish engulfing candle, which happens also to be a marobozu, so saying that we have a lot of sellers in that area. So after making a lower low, what do you expect? You expect price to sell. However, where does price sell from? That is now where we got this this zone here and then this zone here. There were two supply zones, and then I told you this way we drop down to the 4-hour to refine both of those zones. So when we came to the 4-hour, we saw two good zones. There's a zone here which was a drop, a base, a drop, and three indecision candles and one engulfing candle, and then there was another one here which was a rally, a base, a drop. Up here, incision candle, one big engulfing candle. And I told you guys, if we do not sell from this area, this would be the likely zone to sell from. And you see how I marked this area very well. If we do not sell from this area, this will be the likely zone to sell from. However, we were first considering this area here. So price came, reacted here and gave us a bearish engulfing candle, engulfing the previous 3 candles to around 100 pips. Then it has retraced into the zone. After reaching into the zone, price has now looked down, and so far it has given us around 40 pips. So what is the way forward for US oil? I believe US oil is still dropping. Definitely we are likely to reach this area of 300 pips. That is 1:5. So I believe US oil will drop up to that level there, that is 300 pips. So are there any trades that we have been looking at? Yes, we have Euro GBP. So that is US oil. People who are not in US oil, this is a trade I gave out on Monday, that is yesterday, Friday, and then yesterday I just reminded you guys. So if you're not in that trade, it is too late. I would say it is too late because it looks like the train has already left the station. So if you try to enter from here and for some reason you're wrong, then you're going to be burnt. But at least when you're here, it is safe to say that you move your stop losses slightly above break even. So we have also other trades we are looking at. There is this one here, This is Euro GBP. People who've missed US oil will have Euro GBP here. Very clean setup. This one gave us a lot of pips to the upside. Though I expected it to hit this area, it didn't. So now we have another demand zone here. Very good demand zone. This one is even a very good demand zone. 3 indecision candles. Look at the move away. Very good. And then we have liquidity down here. So I'm expecting price to react from this one, and we go to the upside. Euro GBP. Then we missed some other trade on GBP AUD. GBP AUD did not tap into our zone and it has dropped. So there's a break of structure here. Price came, did not reach into the zone. Had it reached into the zone, it would have been a very good trade. Did not tap into the zone and immediately it dropped. So that is where we are right now. Yeah, that is all. That was just a review of our trades, and we shall continue monitoring and seeing what is going to happen. Guys who have not subscribed to the channel and you are watching our videos, kindly subscribe to the channel. The previous 3 videos have around, each of them have around 800 views, but the subscriber count is not counting, so people are watching our content for free of charge. So guys, kindly subscribe to the channel. I told you the first 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be putting them in the Telegram channel and be giving them free signals as an appreciation token. So subscribe to the channel. Also, if you found value from the video, don't forget to like it. That is all for today. We shall meet in another video, basically I think tomorrow. Anyway, I'll see how price action is going to move today, and if all is well, then we shall meet in another video tomorrow. That is all. Bye.